Step back in time to the 17th century and join us on a journey through the life and work of the legendary Sir Isaac Newton. From his humble beginnings to his groundbreaking discoveries, we'll explore the life of one of history's greatest minds. Born prematurely to a farming family in 1642, Isaac Newton's early life was marked by adversity and isolation. His father died before he was born, and his mother remarried, leaving him in the care of his grandmother. This traumatic experience shaped his solitary and introspective nature, fostering a deep intellectual curiosity that would define his life. Despite these challenges, young Newton displayed remarkable intelligence and a thirst for knowledge. Initially destined for a life of farming, Newton's intellectual potential was recognized by his teachers at King's School in Grantham. Recognizing his exceptional abilities in mathematics and science, they encouraged him to pursue higher education. This pivotal moment led him to Trinity College, Cambridge, where he would embark on a journey of scientific discoveries that would revolutionize our understanding of the universe. A seemingly ordinary event, an apple falling from a tree, sparked one of history's most profound scientific insights. As Newton observed the falling apple, he pondered the nature of the force that drew it to the ground. This simple observation led him to a groundbreaking realization. The same force that pulled the apple to Earth also governs the motion of celestial bodies, such as the moon orbiting the Earth and the planets orbiting the sun. Newton's keen observation and analytical mind allowed him to formulate the law of universal gravitation, a fundamental law of physics that explains the force of attraction between any two objects with mass. One of the most significant controversies of Newton's life involved the development of calculus. Both Newton and Gottfried Leibniz independently developed the fundamental principles of calculus, a powerful mathematical tool that revolutionized the fields of physics, engineering, and economics. However, a bitter dispute arose over who had the priority in developing this groundbreaking mathematical technique. Accusations of plagiarism flew back and forth, tarnishing the reputations of both scientists and leading to a decades-long feud. While the controversy ultimately damaged their relationship, the development of calculus remains one of the most significant intellectual achievements of the 17th century. Despite his brilliance, Newton was not a natural teacher. He often neglected his lecturing duties, preferring to immerse himself in his own research. His lectures were sparsely attended, as his focus was primarily on his own intellectual pursuits. His lectures were often disjointed and difficult to follow, as he often lost himself in complex mathematical calculations and philosophical ponderings. As a result, many students found his lectures to be both boring and confusing. Newton's groundbreaking work in physics, mathematics, and optics continues to inspire and influence scientists and mathematicians centuries later. His laws of motion and theory of universal gravitation laid the foundation for classical mechanics, while his development of calculus provided a powerful tool for solving complex mathematical problems. His legacy remains as an evidence to the power of human intellect and the pursuit of knowledge. Beyond his academic pursuits, Newton played a crucial role in public service. As master of the Royal Mint, he dedicated himself to combating the scourge of counterfeit currency. His meticulous investigations and relentless pursuit of counterfeiters led to significant reforms in the British monetary system. In addition to his groundbreaking scientific work, Newton had a deep interest in alchemy, the ancient practice of transforming base metals into gold and discovering the elixir of life. He spent many years conducting alchemical experiments in secret, searching for the elusive philosopher's stone. This pursuit, while considered pseudoscience today, reflects the breadth of Newton's intellectual curiosity and his desire to understand the fundamental nature of matter. His alchemical experiments, though ultimately unsuccessful, may have contributed to his later scientific discoveries. Isaac Newton's political career was brief and relatively uneventful, reflecting his primary focus on scientific and mathematical pursuits. He served 2 terms in Parliament, representing the University of Cambridge, but was known for his reticence and disinterest in the political arena. His most notable contribution during his time in Parliament was a single spoken request to have a window closed, highlighting his preference for quiet contemplation and intellectual pursuits. Despite his brief political involvement, Newton's significant contributions to the fields of physics and mathematics have had a lasting impact on the world, solidifying his legacy as one of history's greatest scientific minds. Newton's extraordinary achievements in science were duly recognized in 1705 when Queen Anna conferred upon him the honor of knighthood, solidifying his position as one of England's most illustrious individuals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more facts about inventors.